Hi, in front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. Then tap on this red button at the bottom to start recording. You can pause it or unpausing using this left one. Add a bookmark thanks to the right one. And end it and save it by hitting the middle one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. If you wish to rename it, hold it, click on rename at the top, type in wherever you want to and choose OK. In order to delete it though, hold it as well, but this time click on delete option and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!